Virtual Business Management Online is an online business management simulation from Knowledge Matters. Virtual Business Management Online comes with 10 lessons to match your curriculum. After completing the lessons, students move on to comprehensive projects. In this video, we will cover many of the new features of Virtual Business Management Online and show you a basic setup for the Management Mogul project. In the Management Mogul project, students start by setting up a manufacturing business. Students can choose between manufacturing bicycles or jeans. They can also choose the size of their manufacturing plant. Once they've made their decisions, they click Create Business and start setting up their business. Students have total control over the layout of their business. In the production view, students can add processes including frame welding, wheel building, frame painting, and bicycle assembly. They can also add raw material, work in progress, and finished goods piles. These can all be easily moved around to create an efficient work environment. In the office view, students can add office positions by adding desks. These include accounts receivable, accounts payable, purchasing, and sysadmin positions. These can also be easily moved around to create an efficient work environment. Once the student has a basic setup completed, they can move on to hiring employees. They start by recruiting employees using Greg's List and Monster.com to attract qualified applicants. Then, they can look through the resumes and hire employees. Typos in resumes and lack of references indicate potential problem employees. Students can search by experience and salary requirements to find the most qualified employees at the best price. Once employees have been hired, students can supervise employees by simply clicking on the employee. This shows information about the individual employee, including current status, time idle, absences, and how fast the employee is working. They can give employees warnings about attendance and performance, give them a raise, or fire them. Students can also survey employees to find out how their employees feel about their workload, pay, and management. Once the business has a basic setup and employees, students can start manufacturing goods. To make money, students bid on jobs. They choose bids based on how many bikes are needed, when they are due, and how much they can charge them for. Once there are enough bikes completed, orders can be filled and shipped. If students fail to ship an order on time, they lose future business from that customer. Virtual Business Management Online gives students plenty of ways to monitor the health of their business. At the bottom of the screen, students can see weekly profit, quantity ordered, bikes ready to ship, and cash on hand. There are a number of reports as well. These include an income statement and balance sheet, as well as other very helpful reports, including a process diagram, cost info chart, and a daily production report. Students can also use the View Overlays tool to see things like blocked workers, as well as employees' happiness with their pay and workload. With some work and fine-tuning, students can create a thriving manufacturing business. Once they have become successful with the business, they can move on to opening more businesses, including jeans manufacturing. Virtual Business Management Online is the most exciting tool available to give your students a hands-on view into the management of a business.